This video will cover some of the basic laws of indices and look at how they apply to algebra. First, we'll refresh our memories as to what an index is with the example of 4 to the power of 3. We refer to the number 3 as an index. We know that this means 4 multiplied by itself 3 times. 4 times 4 times 4. It's the same for algebra. B to the power of 3 equals B times B times B. What happens when we multiply these terms together? How about something like this? K cubed times k squared. Well, that's equal to k multiplied by itself 3 times, then multiplied by k another 2 times. So this is equal to k to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so if we multiply using the same letter, we can just add the powers. Another example. A to the power of 4 times a cubed equals a to the power of 4 plus 3, which is equal to a to the power of 7. What about division? Let's say, for example, f to the power of 4 divided by f squared. So that's f multiplied 4 times divided by f multiplied twice. Alright, so we can simplify this fraction by crossing off 2 f's off both the top and bottom. That just leaves us f multiplied twice, in other words, f squared. So what we can see from this, what really happened, is we subtracted the indices. Another example, a to the power of 13 divided by a to the power of 5. Well, that's equal to a to the power of 13 minus 5, which is equal to a to the power of 8. What about when we have an equation with more than one letter in it? What about something like this? As in the case for only one letter, we add the indices when multiplying and subtract the indices when dividing. Only this time we do it separately for each letter. So this is equal to n to the power of 3 plus 4 minus 2 times by m to the power of 5 plus 2 minus 3, which equals n to the power of 5 times m to the power of 4. Finally, what if we have an expression like r cubed to the power of 2? Just like with numbers, we do the bit inside the brackets first. So this is equal to r times r all squared. And then we multiply as many times as the index indicates, in this case twice. So this is equal to r times r multiplied by r times r, which is just r multiplied 6 times, which is nothing but r to the power of 6. In other words, the powers are multiplied. So for example, if we had y to the power of 5 to the power of 11, then that's equal to y to the power of 5 times 11, which is equal to y to the power of 55. So these are our first 3 index laws. When we multiply letters with powers, we just add the indices. When we divide, we subtract them. And when we put powers to powers, we multiply the indices.